The question over here is indicate the complex which shows geometrical isomerism. Let me tell you one particular thing. The complex of the type MA4B2, they shows geometrical isomerism. This you might have studied in your NCERT textbook. Now let me analyze all the options one by one. This is of the type MA4B2. So this is going to show geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism means cis and trans isomerism. So over here it's chromium, then chlorine over here, one second chlorine over here. It's H2O, 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 H2O basically. Positive charge over here, and this is trans form. Talking about the cis form, here you can have a look, chromium, one chlorine over here, the other chlorine over here, and rest OH2 onto their positions like this. Clear here? So this is cis form. So this is absolutely going to show geometrical isomerism. Option number 2 देखिए, it's of the type MA3B basically. So it is a square planar complex. ठीक है, ये जो हमारा है PT NH3 whole thrice Cl positive. It is of the type square planar complex. Square planar complex in which three ligands are same, that is NH3. So on exchanging the position of any ligand in the coordination complex, it will give the same isomer. It's platinum, NH3, NH3, Cl, and this is NH3. So आप किसी भी इनमें से ligands को पोजीशन ऑफ किसी भी एक लीगेंड की चेंज कर दो आप, चाहे क्लोरीन की या अमोनिया की, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम आइसोमर. सो ये सिस एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म हमें नहीं देने वाला है. टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑप्शन नंबर सी एंड विच सेज इट्स CONH3 पॉजिटिव. सो बेटा ये CONH3 पॉजिटिव है. इट इज़ एन ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स. ठीक है, इन विच ऑल द लीगेंड्स आर सेम. सो ऑन एक्सचेंजिंग द पोजिशन ऑफ एनी वन ऑफ द लीगेंड, अगर मैं ये देखो CO NH3 यहाँ, दूसरा NH3 यहाँ, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ, इनमें से मैं किसी की पोजीशन को भी चेंज कर दूँ, मुझे सेम आइसोमर मिलेगा. तो ये भी जिस और ट्रांसफॉर्म तो मुझे दे ही नहीं रहा है. एनालाइजिंग ऑप्शन नंबर डी. सो देर इज नो ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर्स ऑब्जर्व्ड फॉर COCN5NC because exchange in the position of ligands does not change its orientation in space. So there is no geometrical isomerism observed for COCN5NC3 negative. समझ में आई? Because exchange in the position of ligands does not change its orientation in the space. That's the main case. No cis and trans for this. So only option number 1 is the right answer to the question.